Welcome again today. Now I'm going to handle or talk about hair breakages. People that their hair splits off, people that their hair falls off, people that loses their hair. You just see your hair going. When they comb, you see a lot on the comb. Now I want to show you how to stop it within 2-3 weeks. These things will revitalize your hair. It will become strong. It will become not that kind of strong to become a problem again. No, it will become normal. Better word to use. Okay, here I have green tea. This is green tea boiled with little quantity of ginger. Okay, this is the green tea. Green tea is very good for drinking as well for the hair. Yes, and this is rosemary. Rosemary is very, very good for the hair. It's good for scalp. So see the way we have made our ginger. This is ginger. You can blend the whole of this. Yes, this can get you like 2 liters, or let me say 5 liters, yes, of leave-in to be using for the hair, to stop your hair breakage. So once in a while, you dump honey onto your hair, all over the hair. Yeah, you put it in any conditioner you are using. And you know, whenever we wash our hair, it loses bond. You go to some salon, I've been to several salons here, and somebody will wash hair without making use of conditioner. It's killing the hair, because immediately you wash your hair, the hair loses bond. So if it loses bond, you need something to bring it to life. And what is that thing? Conditioner. And before you make use of conditioner, you must know the kind of your hair. Are you having soft hair? Are you having coarse hair? Are you having, you must have to know. You don't use any kind of shampoo, conditioner or any kind of shampoo because A is making use of such. No, it doesn't work like that. You must have to know the nature of your scalp, the nature of your hair. So for people that are having soft hair, use ginger leave-in to bring it back to life, to have weight. Yes, it stops breakages and it adds body to the hair. Okay, so green tea is very, very good for all hair types. Very, very good. The same thing with rosemary. Brings shine, return back the bond of the hair after washing. So if you have a shampoo and maybe you want to add strength to that shampoo, blend it. It's either you blend the back of ginger. We got this bag from this. After peeling, we got this bag. So either you make use of this, or you make use of this, or you make use of the powder. Okay, you blend all together and you pour into your shampoo. So whenever you go to wash hair in the salon, then you make sure at least you have added these ingredients. So these are things that will help your hair to retain the strength, to be silky, shiny, and have good bouncing body. Okay, so look after your hair. Look after your hair. It also implies to men, not only ladies. Men, you do cut your hair every time, but there are some that are losing their hair almost every day. Before you realize it, you will start to develop bare hair at the middle or by the back of the hair because you never took care of the hair. Yes, everything about us, if you don't take care of them, they will the thing will become bad. So even if you are a man that goes to cut hair every week, you must know the kind of shampoo they make use of on your hair. And also ginger is very good for bump. Bump is this kind of boil. You get it that you always see men develop, after cutting or shaving their hair. Ginger is very good. This treatment is superb. Very, very good for it. Okay, so try to implement, try to make use of these things. And please, I always beg you people, raise your thumb up when you have loved what we have shared. But I believe everything I have been sharing here are very educative and very beneficial to your health, to your hair, to whatever we are talking about. So when you Google this and you love it, please Rest of, let me know you have really listened and you have adopted what I have taught. I wish you the best, and may your hair grow the way you grow. Okay, bye for now. We meet next time.